Be the key drivers for the market in 2021. Joining us now are Angela Mwanza, Managing Director and Private Wealth Advisor at UBS, and Ernesto Ramos, Head of Equities at BMO Global Asset Management. Welcome to both of you. Angela, let me begin with you and pick up on something that Bob just mentioned, and that is the push into what broadly could be said to be sustainable investing, whether it's different emerging energy trends or other forms of sustainability, renewable energy, smart mobility. Do you see that as a 2021 winner?
Absolutely, Tyler. I see it as a short-term 2021 winner, and I see it as a long-term winner. Ultimately, you have governments, corporations globally that are committed to carbon neutrality, which means they have to bring their greenhouse gas emissions down to levels that they've committed to at the Paris Agreement. If you think of who are the biggest emitters, it's power generation, it's transportation. And so whether or not you believe in climate change, you're going to look at trillions of dollars of investment, you're going to look at subsidies, you're going to look at regulation that on the positive side provides a great tailwind for sustainable investments. On the risk side, for those companies that are going to have to relook at their balance sheets and their business plans, that could be a little bit challenging. But we love the space. We love renewable energy. We love smart mobility. We think these are fantastic trends to invest in, both in the short term and in the long term.
Before I move on to Ernesto, Angela, I assume you are saying here, from what I sense, that this is not merely a Biden play. This is a global thrust in this direction.
Absolutely. Just last week, you had 70 global leaders come together to say the commitments that we made towards an average global warming temperature level of 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius is not enough. We need to up the ante. We need to ramp it up. And so if we just look at something like renewable energy, right now, 8% of global electric production comes from wind and solar. By 2040, we anticipate 40 to 45% to come from wind and solar. Same goes to looking at batteries and electric cars. 4% of newly sold cars are electric today. That's going to ramp up also to about 45%, going from a $6 billion market to a $1 trillion market. The opportunity, again, whether or not you believe in climate change or like ESG or sustainable investments, ultimately there is going to be incredible tailwind that is supportive of these investments.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.